Okay, so this is a little update on Nanga's Ruma. It's beautiful. No one really has lawn over here like we do in our countries. This is Nanga's son. Hi, Kadek. Nanga still doesn't have a kitchen yet, but this is her kitchen for now. This is her kitchen for now.
Yes.
There's Nanga.
Yes. Thank you. The kitchen me.
Yeah.
Later.
Later you get a new one.
Yes.
Because Nanga has a business now, thank you to your beautiful donations also. And so, you want to do some?
Yes.
She has 2 sewing machines and hopefully eventually we'll expand this business. Nanga's had experience down south, Kuta area, sewing clothing and different things, so yeah, she's a professional. This is the overlocker that your donations has provided, and also we have a straight sewer over there. The house is beautiful because it's got a perfect little area there. That's a perfect area for your sewing business, isn't it, Nanga?
Yes, thank you.
It's good. So then, let me show you. This is the little entrance area, which is just like a little living area for Nanga. And then there's a bedroom in here. And then this is her little meditation room, and also she has a little fridge in here. So that's a little storeroom, so she has a little bit of space. Is it okay to look in the other room, Nanga?
Yeah.
Is it okay to open this one? It's all right, yeah?
Yeah, go. Not
Oh,
yet.
is he in there? Asleep? No. Okay, and other son is still asleep in this room. No, it's okay. Don't wake him. We don't want to wake anybody up. So yeah, this is Nanga's little house. So just to give you an update.